Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character Zheng. Step by step, I will first write it in standard script, then following one word and one sentence. Let's write Zheng. Zheng. Political. Government. For example, 政府 政府 government. Now check this sentence. The government must act to firm prices up. Government must act to firm prices up. 政府必须采取措施稳定物价。政府必须采取措施稳定物价。稳定物价 price。 政府必须 the government must。 必须采取措施稳定物价。The government must act to firm prices up. 政府必须采取措施稳定物价。政府必须采取措施稳定物价。My casual handwriting on Zheng. Zheng, political, government. 政府 government. The government must act to firm prices up. 政府必须采取措施稳定物价。正 Okay, please comment any sentence with the character 正. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.